Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to add Arabic custom font inside your PDF document using JSPDF library and HTML to Canvas library. So if you load the page for the very first time you can see a PDF file will be downloaded. This we will be building here. If I open this PDF file, you will see this Arabic text will be embedded inside this PDF file. So in this way, you can just embed any sort of Arabic custom font inside your PDF document using JSPDF library and HTML to Canvas. So for this project, I have written a complete blog post on my website. I have given the link in the video description. You can go to this blog post. So here I have explained step by step instruction on how to go about the things, and all the source code is embedded on this blog post. So if you want the source code, just go to the video description and also follow along with the video. And now we will start building this application. As I already told you, we need this two dependency, which is JSPDF. As you know, this is a PDF generation library inside browser in JavaScript. So you will write here JSPDF CDN. CDN stands for Content Delivery Network. You will go to this website and copy paste the CDN. And also we will be using HTML to Canvas. So basically it takes the screenshots with JavaScript. This is their official website. You also want it CDN also. So you can just go to my blog post. I have written a complete template here. You can see, just copy this template and make an index.html file, and simply you need to paste this template here. So inside this we have got a title here which is says JSPDF Arabic font example, and then we have included these two dependency, which is script source. We have added the two script source tags here, first for JSPDF min.js and then the HTML to Canvas. And now guys, we just need to write some Arabic fonts that you want to print out. Let's suppose you can just go to Google if you don't know Arabic. So if anyone knows Arabic, they can just translate here, just Google Translate. Let's suppose I write, hello, my name is Gautam and I am a software developer. So I write these lines here, and now you just change the language from English to Arabic. Here you can see now it has successfully translated these sentences. So simply copy this line here, and simply you just need to make a div here. And let's suppose you just need to make a div, uh, and inside this you just need to write this lines that you have copy pasted it. So inside this lines here, just copy pasted it. So here we just need to convert this into PDF document. So if you open with live server, so you will see it will successfully copy paste it. Now we simply need to convert this to PDF. So this is pretty simple. We first of all take the screenshot with HTML to Canvas and then convert it to the PDF document. So the script source is given in my video description on my blog post. If you go to my blog post here, you will see this is all the source code that you need here. You can see, simply I will copy paste it and then explain to you what I am doing here. You can see, first of all, we are targeting this ID here. So here we just need to replace the ID which we have given, which is lines. So it will first of all take the screenshot with the help of this HTML to Canvas library. After it has taken the screenshot, it will then convert the image to the PDF by using the JSPDF library. So you can see download.pdf. You can see now if I reload the application, it will successfully convert this. If I reload the page, you will see download.pdf will get downloaded. If I open this page, you will see now your Arabic text is successfully translated to PDF document. It is successfully embedded. Directly you cannot do this by a JSPDF library. You need to be taking the help of HTML to Canvas library. You need to take the screenshot and then convert it to a PDF document. So we are taking two libraries help here. First is HTML to Canvas to take the screenshot of the web page, and then we are converting that screenshot image, which is PNG image, to a PDF document. And through this we can just embed to PDF Arabic text custom font inside your JSPDF. You can do this any font. Let's suppose you want you can go to Google Translate. This is not limited to Arabic text. You can just do it for any you can just go to Google Translate, and here you can replace any text here, any font. So let's suppose I want this Armenian text here, like this. So if I just copy this, so this is not limited to, if I again So if I delete this, if I paste this text here, you will see now this will embed this text inside PDF document. So if I reload it, you will see, if I download, you will see this text will be populated inside PDF document. So it is not limited to Arabic. You can take any sort of custom font and then embed it inside your PDF document. So this is a trick that I discovered on Google Stack Overflow website. They just provided the code, and just I just written the blog post here. So you can just go to my blog post and get all the source code, and you can embed custom Arabic font inside your PDF document. So thanks very much guys for watching this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, and do check out my free media tools website, guys. This is my tool based website where I add daily tools on this website related to audio, image and video. So do check out this website and share it with your friends, and also join the Facebook group, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.